Okay, so right now I'm gonna be heading up to the resort again, and I'm gonna try and get another shot besides just first person, because I absolutely hate editing first person because you have no idea what I'm doing. So gonna head to the resort, but I'm gonna call someone to see if they're gonna come join me snowboarding. So just gonna give them a call and then hopefully they'll join. Okay, so I finally got to Sun Valley, and I forgot my pass the first time I got here, so I had to go back home. And I'm not doing first person today because I'm getting really bored with editing it. And yeah. Trying to get up there. I need to go way faster. I just got done at Sun Valley, really happy with how today went, and this is probably going to be the end of the video. I was able to find some powder, which I'm pretty happy about, and yeah, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay stoked. Yeah!